National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wise County in north central Texas, northern Jack County in north central Texas, until 1 a.m. At 12:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Newport, or 14 miles north of Jacksboro, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar slot hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksboro and Newport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for north central Texas.